Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these tiny pumpkin leaves. I made them in two sizes. You can use these leaves ornamenting your crochet creations, ornamenting your crochet pumpkins, and anything on any project you can sew them up. They are really beautiful. Pattern is also very easy. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for supporting me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dear friends, and let's go on how to make this. I will use two different green colors for two different size of leaves, and I will use 3mm hook. I need the scissors. First of all, I will show you how to make the tiny one, dear friend. We are starting by making magic ring. We are making one chain. And on this magic ring, also keeping this yarn end on the ring, we are going to make 8 single crochet, dear friends, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, like this. After making 8 single crochet, we are pulling this in order to make this ring a round shape, a small round shape, I mean, like this. After that, we are inserting our hook at top of the first single crochet of the first round and closing this round like this. It's been a total round and the first round is finished. Now I am making one chain. After making one chain, I am inserting my hook in the same stitch, I mean in the first stitch of the first round, and making 4 single crochet. This is 1. This is 2. Always I am inserting my hook in the same first stitch of the first round. This is 3. And this is 4. And now I am going to the following stitch, I mean the second stitch of the first round. I am inserting my hook in there and making a single crochet. And then in the same stitch, I am making a double crochet. I made yarn over, inserting my hook in the same second stitch and making a double crochet. After that, I'm making 2 chains and inserting my hook in the same stitch space, I mean in the second stitch of the previous round, and making a single stitch like this. After that, we are making 2 chains and 1 slip stitch in the same second stitch of the previous one, like this. And we are skipping 1 chain, going to the other and making a single stitch in there, like this. And in the same stitch, I am making a half double crochet as well. And we are making yarn over and going to the same stitch and making a double crochet. In this stitch, we are inserting our hook 3 times, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Now I am making 1 chain. After making 1 chain, I am making yarn over, going to the following stitch, and I am making a double crochet like this, and then making yarn over, going to the same stitch space, making a half double crochet, and going to the same stitch space, making a single crochet like this. And now I'm skipping 1 stitch, going to the other, and in this stitch making a slip stitch and making 2 chains, 1, 2, making a double crochet in the same stitch and a half double crochet, a single crochet in the same stitch. We are in the last stitch, dear friends. I'm inserting my hook in there. I'm making 4 single stitch in there, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then making a slip stitch, making 1 chain, and cutting the yarn. I will pull this in order to make the round center very small, like this. I'm pulling, you see it's closed. Later on I am tying them at the back side in order to fix the yarn ends well. I am cutting, I will hide this with the help of the small yarn, small size hook, like this. Once again I'm doing, and the last one I'm doing the same thing. I'm cutting the last yarn ends. Now it is completely finished, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, now we are going to make this bigger one. I'm using another green color in my hand. We are starting by making a magic ring again. Making 1 chain. And in this ring we are making 10 single crochet. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and like this we are making 10 single crochet. After making 10 single crochet, we are pulling this yarn end in order to make this a round shape. And later on I am inserting my hook at top of the first single crochet, making a slip stitch, and like this I am closing this first round like this, dear friends. Now we are in the second round, and in the second round first of all we are making 1 chain, and after making 1 chain we are making in the same stitch 3 half double crochet. This is 1 half double crochet, this is second half double crochet, this is third half double crochet. Now we are going to the second stitch, first of all making 1 half double crochet. I'm in the second stitch, making 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochet. Like this. And I am going to the next stitch. First of all, I am making a double crochet and then a treble crochet. For this reason, 2 times I am making yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch, and 2 by 2 I am making pull through. 1, 2, 3 times I am doing this, and making 1 chain. After making 1 chain, going to the following stitch and making 2 treble crochet. This is 1, this is 2, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and a slip stitch in the same stitch, like this. Now I am going to the next stitch. Make a slip stitch, make 3 chains, making 2 times yarn over, making a triple crochet, and 1 double crochet, I am going to the next stitch and making 2 double crochet, and in the same stitch making 1 half double crochet, and going to the other stitch and making 3 half double crochet in there. This is 1 half double crochet, this is 2nd half double crochet, and this is the 3rd half double crochet, and we are making 1 chain and 1 slip stitch, and making 1 chain again. Later on I am cutting the yarn. Our pattern is finished, dear friends. I will just pull this in order to make the center small. Later on I am cutting I will tie these 2 ends and I will hide with a small size hook. And cutting the last end, and this big size pumpkin leaf is finished as well, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. Hope you are going to make this kind of pumpkin leaves for your crochet creations. Thank you so much watching this video till now. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for supporting me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dear friends, again, and let's meet in the next videos.